Hello, welcome back to the CCTV IP Academy. In this episode, I would like to talk about the SeMSy. We'll explain what it means. One of the previous episodes we did say about the Dallmeier DS2 blade system, which is actually the hardware component of the digital matrix system that Dallmeier produces. And I have another visit of my friend Frank Koetjen to tell us more about the SeMSy digital matrix technology by Dallmeier. Is it possible to have a proper matrix switching using just IP networks?
Yes, of course. So with the SeMSy management system, as you mentioned before, the DS2 blade system is just the basic concept of hardware. With the management system, it's very easy for the operator to use the digital switching of cameras over the IP network.
What about using analog digital signals as an input? What kind of output do you have? Can you also have analog and digital outputs, composite video monitors versus VGA as well? Can you mix them?
Yes, using the SeMSy management system, all these different type of products are integrated into one system. So that means on the input side, you can either use IP cameras or analog cameras, and on the output side, you have the opportunity to use analog monitors and also digital monitors.
So SeMSy is the heart, the software heart of the digital matrix system, right? Is it easy for the operators to do the day-to-day operation? Can they do everything from the SeMSy? And what kind of functions are they doing through SeMSy?
Yes, of course. That is one of the major points to achieve an easy operation for the operator. And with the SeMSy management system, the first thing is to have the live switching over the IP network, as mentioned before. Another thing very important is the playback control with the SeMSy management system. And that's a bit of a challenge because we are talking about digital compressed streams. So for example, playback forwards and backwards, picture by picture. These are things that with the SeMSy management system implemented and easy to handle. And together with archiving, easy searching, being able to bookmark, you have a full function for the operator.
How easy is for operator to find a particular area in a large installation like a casino, for example? I understand you're using some kind of mapping system. What is special there and how is it implemented in the system?
Yeah, that's very important for the operator to easily find the cameras, and we have implemented the map functionality. And the big advantage of our solution is that this is based on AutoCAD drawings. So that means whenever you have a change in your environment, adding cameras, taking away cameras, you just have to change your AutoCAD drawing with all that information, just reload it to the whole system, and you're up and running again with the change of your environment.
So basically the SeMSy system recognizes the numbers that are entered through the AutoCAD drawings without you needing to enter the same numbers in a separate drawings. Is that how it works?
That is exactly right. So you don't have to configure this information additionally in the SeMSy management system. You read it directly from the AutoCAD drawings.
What about the physical, typical CCTV PTZ keyboards? What kind of keyboards does Dallmeier system introduce?
With the SeMSy management system, you can either use third-party keyboards, but we always recommend to use the VMC1 Eagle keyboard implemented by Dallmeier. With this keyboard, as you can see here, you have a very easy operation of either the live switching by just using the keypad. Part of the keyboard is this jog shuttle that you can see here. So the jog shuttle is used to control the playback control. As I said, forwards, backwards, picture by picture, all these type of things can be easily controlled by the jog shuttle. And the third component of this keyboard is the joystick for the PTZ control. So that is one of the major functions of a CCTV system, to be able to control PTZ cameras over the IP network. And what we have implemented, you see latency is no issue, so PTZ control over IP network is very easy. And also you can see here just an idea about the graphical user interface together with the map functions that we have mentioned before. So that's the whole environment for the operator to be able to control the system either by the graphical user interface or by the keyboard.
And as far as I can see, because it's a modular design, you actually can swap the joysticks and the jog shuttle, and you can have the whole even visual display on the keyboard itself if you wish to do so.
That is right. So it's either you use the system as a left left-handed or right-handed, that is possible, and you have a small display on this VMC1 keyboard where you can either have just graphical buttons to control the system or also the video display on your keyboard.
Okay. What about the interfacing to third-party hardware? For example, casinos have specialized counting cards or recognizing cards or maybe cash registers and so forth. Are you able with the digital matrix system to interface to those?
Yes, because of the modular design of the whole SeMSy management system, it's very easy to interface to any third-party system. Just to give you an example, we have implemented interfaces like for cash systems, for example, Micro's cash system, from the casino application like Angel Eye Shoe. So these are just examples and show that very easy integration of third-party system is possible with the SeMSy management system.
I understand that there are quite a few good references and examples that Dallmeier have done. So obviously you have proven that you can easily do digital system in a brand new environment. How easy is to have existing analog matrix, which are installations, to convert to digital? Is it possible? Has it been done or not? Because I fear that a lot of people are still conservative to switching to digital because they think they will lose everything if they switch off the analog matrix.
Yes, you're right. That's a very important point to mention. So with the SeMSy management system, it's very easy to convert an existing system from an analog matrix system to a fully IP digital solution. And we have done that before. And from our experience, we have proved that that could be done without any downtime. So that means during real operation, you can make the changeover from an analog matrix system to the full IP solution based on the SeMSy management system.
Okay, well, thank you, Frank. It's all very informative, and thank you again for watching the CCTV IP Academy. I hope you learned a little bit more about the different new technologies, and hope to see you soon.